Hi, so you'll shortly be receiving your upgrade tool in a package which will look very similar to this. Inside it has the USB disk which has got the firmware updates stored on it and the very delicate tool that you will use, and you'll understand why these are tricky because they are custom made by us, and so specifically for the task that we're going to be applying now. So to show you how to do this, take your subwoofer. It's all you need, just your S-woofer at the moment and the power cable, so you can actually draw some power to it. You'll need to remove the foot on the back of the system to reveal the actual upgrade port. To do that, I just use the end of this because it's got the plastic shield on it. Press it in and out it comes. Leave that to one side. Take your tool, put the USB drive into it, drop it in, and you'll see here you've got the port inside it. You want to align these 5 prongs with the bottom row of prongs here. Now this bit takes a little bit, you need a little bit of light. You don't need to force it in too far, it'll go in just a few millimeters actually. It will drop inside like so. That's done. My eyes are terrible. There we go, that's in. So literally about 2 or 3 millimeters. It will wobble around, don't worry about it. Take your power supply, put the power supply in, and it will flash and blink red as it's performing the update. This update will take about 2 minutes or so to complete. Please don't remove it, don't remove the power, wait until it has a final long solid red LED light on it, and then it will go out. After that, remove the tool. Please send it back to us because these are pretty expensive for us to actually produce, and we don't have many of them, so we're trying to rotate these out so as many customers can do the firmware update as possible. If you've got any issues, any questions, drop us a line in support and we'll help you out. Thanks very much. Stay safe. Bye-bye.